Welcome to our channel. If you want to merge your Funimation account with Crunchyroll, follow these step-by-step instructions as the services have consolidated. Step 1. Understand that Funimation has merged with Crunchyroll, and all Funimation content has been moved to the Crunchyroll platform. This migration affects all users. Step 2. Visit the Crunchyroll website and check for information about the Funimation to Crunchyroll migration process. Crunchyroll has provided specific tools and guidance for this transition. Step 3. If you have both a Funimation and a Crunchyroll account, decide which account you want to keep as your primary account for the merged service. Step 4. Log into your Funimation account on the Funimation website to access your profile, watch history, and subscription information. Step 5. Look for a migration or account transfer option in your Funimation account settings. Crunchyroll has provided specific instructions and links for transferring your account. Step 6. Follow the prompts to connect your Funimation account to your existing Crunchyroll account, or create a new Crunchyroll account if you don't have one. Step 7. Review what will be transferred, which may include your watch history, queue, and certain profile information. Note that not all data can be transferred. Step 8. Complete the account migration process by following all on-screen instructions. This typically involves confirming your identity on both platforms. Step 9. If you have a Funimation Premium subscription, check how your subscription transfers to Crunchyroll. You may receive equivalent Crunchyroll Premium access or need to update your subscription. Step 10. After migration, access your content on Crunchyroll using your merged account. All Funimation shows are now available on the Crunchyroll platform, often with improved features and additional content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.